Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, back to with me Setia Ningsih. So today I will talk to you about 25 expression business idioms should we know. Okay, so the first, think outside the box. It's meant to think in an original or creative way. For example, kita harus think outside the box untuk menemukan solusi inovatif bagi masalah ini. And the second, cutting edge. It means the news or more advanced technology or idea. For example, perusahaan kami menggunakan teknologi cutting edge untuk tetap kompetitif. The third, ballpark figure. It means an approximate estimate. For example, bisakah Anda memberi saya ballpark figure untuk biaya renovasi kantor ini? And the fourth, get the ball rolling. It's meant to start a project or process. For example, mari kita jadwalkan rapat besok untuk get the ball rolling pada proyek baru ini. And the five, the bottom line. It's mean the most important point or final result. For example, the bottom line adalah kita harus meningkatkan penjualan di kuartal ini. And the next is put all your eggs in one basket. It's mean to rely on only one strategy. For example, jangan berinvestasi hanya di satu sektor. Jangan put all your eggs in one basket. And the second, on the same page. It's meant to be in agreement. For example, mari kita rapat singkat agar semua orang on the same page sebelum kita mulai. And the egg go the extra mile. It's meant to put in more effort than expect. For example, dia selalu go the extra mile untuk memastikan klien merasa puas. And the nine is cross the T's and dot the E's. It's meant to pay attention to every detail. For example, pastikan Anda cross the T's and dot the E's pada kontrak ini sebelum dikirim. And the 10 is elephant in the room. It means an obvious problem that everyone ignored. For example, kita harus membahas penurunan laba. Itu adalah elephant in the room yang tidak bisa diabaikan. Next is hit the nail on the head. It means to do or say something exactly right. For example, analysis Anda mengenai tren pasar benar-benar hit the nail on the head. Next, cover all the best. It's meant to ensure everything necessary is considered. For example, manajer memastikan tim telah cover all the best terkait protokol keamanan. And next, pay it by ear. It's meant to make decision as you go without a set plan. For example, karena situasi pasar tidak menentu, kita akan play it by ear minggu ini. Next is play catch up. It's meant to try to keep up with competitor or deadlines. For example, kami sedang sibuk play catch up dengan kompetitor setelah peluncuran fitur baru mereka. And next is put out fire. It's meant to deal with urgent problems or crisis. Example, saya tidak bisa mengerjakan tugas strategis karena seharian sibuk put out fire. Next is get the green light. It's meant to revise approval to proceed. For example, kami baru saja get the green light dari direktur untuk memulai kampanye pemasaran. And next is up in the air. It's mean not yet decided or certain. For example, jadwal perjalanan dinas minggu depan masih up in the air. Go down the rabbit hole. To get lost in mirror details or distraction. For example, jangan go down the rabbit hole. Membahas detail kecil yang tidak relevan dengan agenda rapat. Next is low-hanging fruit. It's mean easy business opportunities that require minimal effort. For example, mari fokus pada low-hanging fruit dengan menargetkan pelanggan yang sudah ada terlebih dahulu. And next is get the axe. It's meant to get fired. For example, akibat restrukturisasi perusahaan, banyak departemen yang akhirnya get the axe. And next is drop the ball. It's meant to make mistake or miss an opportunity. For example, maaf, saya drop the ball sehingga klien tidak menerima laporan tepat waktu. Next is a load on my plate. It's meant to have many responsibilities or tasks. For example, saya tidak bisa menerima tugas tambahan minggu ini karena sudah memiliki a load on my plate. Next is cut corners. It's meant to take shortcuts and compromise quality. For example, kita dilarang cut corners dalam hal keamanan demi menghemat biaya. And 25 is the big picture. It means the overall perspective of a situation. For example, fokuslah pada the big picture daripada terjebak pada detail teknis yang tidak signifikan. And the last is pull the trigger. It's meant to make a final decision or take action. For example, sudah waktunya kita pull the trigger and meresmikan peluncuran produk baru ini. Okay guys, so that's all is 25 expression business idioms so for today, and I think it is enough, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.